Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll talk about a huge update regarding AirDrop and how it will change file sharing between two Apple devices wirelessly forever. Yes guys, there is a huge update and really amazing one. So let's talk about that. But guys, first of all, let me tell you how AirDrop works on an iPhone or devices. So first of all, for using an AirDrop, we need to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on both the devices. Okay, where you are transferring the files, both devices should enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, right? After that, select a file, tap on share and choose the AirDrop option, and from the recipient or available devices, choose a device and transfer the file. Where a file sharing happens between two devices within close proximity or a close range. So both the devices should be nearby, and there the file sharing happens wirelessly over the Wi-Fi. So in simple words, to transfer the files over the Wi-Fi between two devices using AirDrop, we need those devices within close range or close proximity to transfer, right? But guys, now imagine a situation where while sharing files or sending files between two devices, one device holder moves outside the close proximity range or he is out of the same Wi-Fi network. That time we know that by default the sending fails. But here is a new update where even if the one device holder moves away or is out of the Wi-Fi network, that time here the Apple can here the files sharing can be taken over or continued over the internet network. So here what happens, the sending files will be transferred or sent to the Apple server. Okay, and those files and data will be end-to-end encrypted, and from Apple server will be sent to the receiving device. So from sending device to Apple server, from Apple server to receiving device over the internet. So even if the both devices are not within the close range, even after that the sending will continue over the Apple server, and where the data or the files will be end-to-end encrypted and they cannot be decrypted. Also, those files cannot be stored by Apple on their servers. So regarding this, there is an update, also the privacy notification in every iPhone the Apple released. Here is a new update. It's really amazing because we don't have to wait nearby to receive a file from particular person. Directly over the internet, it can be continued over the Apple servers. So guys, that's it about a new update regarding new AirDrop. I hope you like it as do I. And if you like this video, then please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. So guys, until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.